Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Infomrk YouTube channel. My name is Mohammad Rafiq Haskeli. My qualification Master Library Information Science. Let's begin to celebrate a day of learning, inspiration and connection with Infomrk YouTube channel. Today's session on emerging trends in technology are used in the development of libraries. As a librarian, we can understand the growth of libraries from ancient era till to now. Libraries are growing and providing quality services to their users for education and research purpose. As a impact of new technology, we should need well prepared for the future technologies in its application. Now the bombardment of artificial intelligence applications in everywhere. So as a smart librarians are working to provide value-added services to the community members for education and research purpose. It is need of time to well prepared for the future. So let's come to key learning of today's presentation. Libraries in modern era are taking up new technologies and trends to enhance their services. In this presentation, we will explore the emerging trends and tools and software used in the library. We also highlighted the importance of professional growth in development for the library professional, how it became easy. So let's begin to start the content. Number 1, ICT applications and tool. Number 2, market record. Number 3, library software. Number 4, digital libraries development. Number 5, databases tools. Number 6, citation tools. And number 7, mobile application. Number 8, social media tools. Number 9, artificial intelligence tools and its application we will discuss in this presentation. If you are new in this information YouTube channel, so kindly like and subscribe Infomrk YouTube channel. So let's begin to start the glimpse of evolution of libraries and technologies development. This graph is showing that paper libraries started publications and indexing services to their user in the initial stage of libraries evolution. When the technology increased, Library 1.0 introduced online cataloging services, e-books, e-journals, databases, and searching activities are more increased in the library's activities along with technological tools. After that, Library 2.0 introduced. In this time, refit technology, mobile application, QR code, self-check-in, checkout system, mobile library were used. In 3.0 library era, social media increased, website like semantic web applications, mobile stock tech, trolley and recommendation system, self-check-in, checkout boxes, smart bookshelves were used, and mostly cloud computing playing very important role, self-recognition system. So these applications used day by day in the libraries. Now the impact of artificial intelligence in every field of knowledge, artificial playing, and it is very important role in every field of knowledge, and it is great impact on every field, and its challenge are more day by day increasing. So it is need of time to understand and work on all applications to make our services better for the users. So number 1, ICT applications started from 19th era, initially used computers for cataloging, indexing and basic library tasks. In 90s, adoptions of library management system, digital catalog and CD-ROM databases were used. In 2000, integration of library services into institutional website and online public access catalog were used. In 2000 era emphasize on online databases, e-books, e-journals and remote access mostly provided to the users. In 2020 increasing reliance on cloud-based services, mobile friendly interfaces and virtual reality applications were used. These applications of ICTs so mostly used in the development of library and playing very important role for providing quality services to the users. Now second, mark tags. Mark tags means Mark 21 format mostly used worldwide in the libraries housekeeping record. So it is started in 1960 to 1917 development of mark machine readable cataloging format for recording bibliographical data of library items. In 1980s and 90s, expansion of mark format to accommodate different types of material just like AV materials, sound recording, main thesis and journals papers. So these mean other materials are included in mark. In 2000, integration of mark data into ILS and library databases system. In 2010 and 20, debate and exploration of alternative metadata standards and linked data concepts were used, and mark structure is given on our screen. Content markup and structures. These fields are used to record keeping of library items. Now we are going to discuss number 3 point, library softwares. ILS, integrated library software, playing very important role in the development of libraries. In 16 and 17, introduction of early ILS with basic cataloging and circulation features were used. In 1980, automation of more library functions including acquisitions and serial controls were used. In 90s, transitions from text-based interfaces to graphical user interfaces were used. In 2000, ILS started importing web-based interfaces and support electronic resources. In 2010, focuses on user experience, mobile interfaces and integration with external systems. In 2020, emphasizes on cloud-based solutions, data analytics and open sources alternatives were used. In this era, Koha, Evergreen, OpenBiblio and rest of other applications are used as a integrated library system for making library operation more strong and facilitate the user services. Number 4, digital libraries development. Digital libraries is the need of time to mean creation a library on digital space. So different softwares were used. In 90s era, the emergence concept of digital libraries open focused on academic and research institutions. Early 2000, development of digital repository softwares like DSpace were used and ePrint were used to record keeping making digital library for the users. In mid 2000, Google Books and similar initiative accelerated digitization efforts. Late 2000, expansion of digital library projects to include multimedia content, archives and cultural heritage materials. In 2010, integration of semantic web technology, improved search and discovery interfaces were used. In 2020, continued growth of digital collection focuses on preservation and accessibility standard. So ePrint, DSpace, library applications for digital library activities are performed by using these applications in the library growth and development. Number 5, Databases tools. These databases tools are reflecting on our screen period-wise used. In 1960, pioneering of online bibliographic databases like Medline and Eric firstly used services of databases in the development of libraries. In the 90s and 80s, growth of commercial databases like Dialog, LexisNexis and OCLC. Firstly, a search engine introduced. In 90s, advent of internet-based databases and search engines were used. In the period of 2000, rise of scholarly databases like PubMed, IEEE Explore, and Scopus international databases are used for mean research papers and e-journals. In 2010, transition to a mixed of subscription-based and open access databases focuses on interoperability. So in this period, international databases playing very important role for research work. And in the period of 2020, the continuous open access activities and integration of AI-driven search features mostly used because the period of AI more and more facilitating research activities in Scopus, IEEE, Elsevier and rest of other applications for research activities and conducting new research with tools. And now we are coming point number 6, citation tools for researchers and teachers. These tools are using in our research for creating and citation management. In 90s, introduction of software like EndNote and RefWorks for managing citations. In 2000s, growing popularity of web-based citation tools, Zotero and Mendeley were used in research citations. In 2010, integration of citation management features in library databases and discovery system. In 2020, continued evolution of citation tools, integration with research workflows and AI-driven suggestions are given. These applications mostly playing very important role for citation management like ESB, Mendeley, Zotero and RefWork and Note playing very important role for collecting research citation and its applications for researchers. So these playing very important role in the development of libraries. Number 7, mobile applications. Early 2000, introduction of mobile library catalogs and basic library apps were used. In 2010, expansion of mobile app to include e-book readers, self-checkout and push notification were used. In 2020s, enhanced mobile experience with personalized recommendations, augmented reality and mobile access to the digital collections. This picture is showing that augmented reality are used by mobile applications in the library, and these mean tools playing very important role in the development of library activities for the users. Number 8, social media in libraries playing very important role. Mid 2000, libraries started using social media platform for outreach and engagement of users. Late 2000, emergence of library blogs, Twitter account and Facebook pages are used in the library services to provide notification latest update to our users. In 2010 era, integration of social media as a tool for reference marketing and community buildings. In 2020, further use of social media for virtual event, readers advisory, and user generated content. So these applications are used in the library's development to achieve the goal of libraries. Number 9, artificial intelligence. In the artificial intelligence are more impacting in everywhere in every discipline and subject. So also artificial impact on libraries. 2010 initially use of AI for automating routine tasks like chatbots. Chatbots playing very important role in the development of library website or inside the library and recommendation system for user to give and facilitate recommendation content for their research and development. In 2020, integration of AI in cataloging. In cataloging, AI also playing very important role, making metadata enrichment and personalized user experience as well. Ongoing exploration of AI for data analysis, predict analytics, and improving search algorithm. These applications mostly used in the library chatbot, library humanoid reports, virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality is playing very important role. Blockchain mean protecting data. Internet of things, everything's on internetable. Cloud storage mean big data we can stores are also in cloud based, and big data we can used for future decisions for the library development, and we can will achieve the all activities that performed in the libraries to facilitate the user activities, and we can develop our libraries activities. This glimpse reflecting that a detailed list of new technologies trends are available. Number 1, artificial playing very important role. Number 2, technology, robotic process automation. Number 3, edge computing. Number 4, quantum computing playing very important role. Number 5, augmented reality, virtual reality playing very important role. Number 6, blockchain technologies playing very important role. Number 7, IoT based technologies playing very important role. And number 8, 5G, and number 9, cybersecurity. These technologies now part of computer systems and playing very important role in the field of knowledge. So thank you very much for watching this video, hoping that you will enjoy these libraries videos. And if you are new in Infomrk YouTube channel, kindly like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.